guys, don't you love being out with nature? Come in with me and find some cool stuff. Oh, guys, look, there was a dragonfly. Oh my God, look at that lizard. Oh yeah, there. We have some papayas growing here, and we have some banana trees growing in. This one is a kid. This is out and come. Lemongrass. This is a baby lizard. I'm gonna go catch him. Look, we caught our first bug, tree frog. Comment down below. Do you think this is a tree frog or a different frog? Comment down below. See, guys, Mom that is filming right now. Banana twig, some greens, and a little bit of dirt. That's perfect for a frog. Guys, look! We caught a lizard! He's gonna join our friend, Cody. Right there in the papaya tree. Do not, if you see a snake anywhere in your patio, around your house, do not, don't you dare touch that. Black racers are very Comment down below, what should the frog or the lizard come? We'll try to find some bugs for them. Here we have a snail that the bugs can eat. Another frog. I'm gonna catch it. Oh my God. It's right there. Now we have 2 frogs. It's fun catching bugs with you. Now we catch 4 bugs. We catch a black frog, a tree frog, a lizard, and a couple ants. And today we're gonna do catch and release. These creatures, you're supposed to put them in their natural habitat.